Dear viewers, and welcome to my another video. In that new lesson or topics, we are going to making in SSMS, database and tables. So let's get started beginning our journey to open our SQL Server Management Studio. So firstly, we need to open our SSMS in our desktop, and then now we connect that SSMS, and now we click here new query option. So click here in that time, and now firstly, if you create your database, also needed this MySQL Workbench same database create. So right here that command of this topics and lessons, create database high. When it's done, select all of this and then execute it. And now it says command completed successfully, means our database created. Now we cut all of everything and use high. It's count. Go options. Okay, high, semicolon. If not exists, so use high and then create database. Another time, create database, not create table. Students, brackets, and then enter it. Another enter, ID, integer, comma, roll, virture, 50, comma, and now class, virture, 50, comma, and now if not, you see that red lines means our data is incorrect. So look your data and work hard. So virture, and now it's done. The red signal is gone. Class, and now student name, integer not, virture, 50, bracket, this. Okay, comma, and now date of student. Okay, when it's done, date another time, our data is completed successfully. So all of everything, select this here and execute it. And now you can see here command completed successfully, means our data is completed and the table is met. So if we refresh here another time, go to database options. This is our high database. Click here, and now this is our tables. So click here tables, and now wait for. And here is our tables, graph tables, external tables, file tables, system table. We make the table and we not input data, we can't see it. If we here, you can see it here. This, I say that. So guys, this is the recommended to make the another data of our table and insert it. Insert into this function, we can easily input data and easily see the data of our SQL Server Management Studio. I insert this data in that next video. So guys, so wait for it. So this is my video. If you like my video, so subscribe to my channel and turn on the bell icon button.